Namaskar. A very, very, very good evening to all the viewers. I'm sure तुम्ही बी वाव चॅनल सबस्क्राईब केलेलं असेलच. So, here comes another Saturday and another session in Prakash, the story sessions. मला माहिती आहे की या स्टोरी सेशन्सची मी जितकी वाट बघत असते तितकी तुम्ही सुद्धा वाट बघत असता. आजची स्टोरी सुरू करण्यापूर्वी आजच्या दिवसाबद्दल सांगते. March 20 is celebrated as the International Happiness Day. सो आजची स्टोरी जी आहे ती ह्याच संदर्भातली आहे. हॅपीनेस, सुख. बघूया स्टोरी. व्हॉट इज द स्टोरी ऑल अबाउट? सो आजची जी स्टोरी आहे ती एका प्रोफेसरबद्दल आहे आणि त्याच्याकडे येऊ घातलेल्या काही विद्यार्थ्यांबद्दल आहे. सो दिस प्रोफेसर हॅड टॉट दीज स्टुडंट्स फॉर अ कपल ऑफ इयर्स आणि मध्ये त्यांचा ऑफकोर्स द स्टुडंट्स went ahead to pursue their careers, and then there was a gap and there was a break between the professor meeting the students. So the professor called some of his students for a reunion at his place. खूप वर्षांनी ही सगळी मित्रमंडळी एकमेकांना भेटणार होती. खूप वर्षांनी ही सगळी मित्रमंडळी त्यांच्या प्रोफेसरला भेटणार होती. सो एव्हरीवन वॉज व्हेरी एक्सायटेड फॉर दिस डे. Finally the day arrived and everyone gathered at the professor's house. Professor was a bit old by that time. When everyone saw Professor, they all remembered the professor who taught them, who was very young back then. But today when they entered his house, age was talking on the professor's face. But the charm was still the same as they had seen 10 years before. So they went inside the room, they sat, whatever arrangements were made. And after a few minutes, Professor's wife came in the hall and announced that coffee is kept there, cups are there, everyone is requested to have their coffee. Everyone rushes to the place where the coffee is kept. They start taking coffee. Now, when they go there at the coffee place, they realize that this coffee cups, the coffee cups that are kept to take coffee from, are of different size and shape and design. Some of them had this thought in their mind that maybe a professor and professor's wife lives alone in this house and they are not habitual to having so many guests around. So maybe they don't have one set of coffee cup, one full set of coffee cup. So there's a little mix and match and coffee cups are there. There were all kinds of coffee cups, starting from a most simpler ones, the glass cup, to a very intricate design, very shimmery cup. All kinds of coffee cups were there. All the students slowly and steadily took the coffee in all the cups that they had wished for, and they again went and sat to their place. Now, when this happened, the professor was silently observing all the students. And then finally, when everyone sat, the professor said, I don't know if you happen to notice this or not, but all the good cups, all the intricate designer cups, all the expensive cups were taken. And back there on the table, you can still see some other cups, which are simple cups, which are glass cups, plain glass cups. They're still there, they're still lying there. And the students were a little baffled. What is professor trying to tell us? What is our professor trying to give us this evening? Professor continued. This is what exactly happens with your life as well. In the rush of having the expensive one, in the rush of having the most intricate design ones, in the rush of having the most cute design or intricate design or wonderful cups, you forget that your task was to have coffee and not the cups. The coffee in all the cups will be same, and happiness is definitely the same. Happiness is the coffee and not the cup, and we end up finding happiness in the cup. The most expensive one will be the one will give us happiness. The most intricate design ones will be the ones that will give us happiness. But actually, the hot seeming sip of coffee is the one that is giving us happiness. Just think over it. The professor gave this task to all his kids, and the kids immediately realized, yes, even after 10 years, the professor is giving them something to think, and yet a very valuable thought to think on. In their life, their sole purpose is to sip the hot cup of coffee. But they invest all their time and energy to choose the cup. And this is what my story for today is, for Prakash is. आपल्या आयुष्यात आपल्याला नेमकं काय हवंय? सुख, समाधान, की त्या गोष्टी? म्हणजे छोटंसं उदाहरण देते. आपण नोकरी करतो, आपण व्यवसाय करतो. आपला मूळ मुद्दा काय असतो? सुख हवंय, समाधान हवंय, हॅपीनेस. ओव्हर द पिरियड ऑफ टाईम वी कीप ऑन फॉरगेटिंग दॅट. सो ऑन दिस इंटरनॅशनल हॅपीनेस डे मी तुम्हा सर्वांसाठी हे विश करते की यू फाइंड युअर हॅपीनेस, यू फाइंड दॅट हॉट सीमिंग सिप ऑफ कॉफी इन युअर लाईफ. बट दॅट विल बी ओनली गिवन टू यू इफ यू start deviating a little from the cup. कारण आपलं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे त्यातली कॉफी. ती कॉफी महत्त्वाची आहे. I wish you all a wonderful coffee today. And I wish you all a very happy day and a life ahead on this International Happiness Day. Subscribe to Be Wow. Always wise on words. आणि हा व्हिडिओ नक्कीच आवडला असेल, आय एम शुअर. सो लाईक करा, शेअर करा अँड सबस्क्राईब करा. आय होप ही स्टोरी तुम्हाला आवडली असेल. कशी वाटली ते खाली कमेंट्समध्ये नक्की सांगा. आणि नेक्स्ट सॅटर्डे तुम्हाला कोणती स्टोरी ऐकायला आवडेल तेही सांगा. विथ द सेम बंच ऑफ स्टोरी, लेट्स फाइंड आउट डिफरंट पर्स्पेक्टिव्स. दॅट्स वॉट प्रकाश इज. लेट्स लिट द लाईट विदिन. बी वाव. थँक यू.